Hello, Sasha. I have a new task. Let me see if this is actually recording. Yeah, it looks like it is. So what I'm doing is converting this into a multiple master with an optical weight on it. And so you can see over here in the masters, there's this new optical and so this just makes it thicker, like so, as opposed to the original, which is like this. And then this also is thicker, and the dimensions are 60. So we're going from 10 to 60 and then 10 to 30 on this one. I've done a couple characters already, as you can see. And what I'd like you to do is just the first, just the lowercase for now. So I'm going to do one real quick here. So first, make sure you're working on the right master. This gets a little tricky, unfortunately. And so I'm going to do this one. And just to recall, we have this is 30. So I'm going to go ahead and just move this up. 1, 2, 3. And that's too much. One too many. And then here as well. Here as well. Here as well. And just using interpolated nudge on that. And fixing this. So then I'm going to do a thicker weight. $60. So here's an F. Let's try to find one that's a little bit more complex. Like the A was fairly complex because what I needed to do was add, I'll do a V. Well, that's a good one to do probably. So what you need to do is make sure you're working the right master and then add a node here. What's going on here? Duplicate node. And duplicate node here. And then what you do is just and then bring this over, and then so it's intersecting like this, and then I'm going to make some slight changes here. Same thing here. Duplicate the node. This just makes things a little bit easier to do because you don't have to mess with the geometry. And then this as well. Duplicate node and move it over. I'm going to go ahead and slide that over as well. So there you have it. There's that one. And then, of course, the geometry has already been changed here. So we can just simply do and slide this over. And that's good. Some adjustments to that. And then, of course, this needs to be done as well. I'm going to do one more. I think an R would be a good one. So go ahead and make sure you're on the right layer. looks good. And let me slide that up just a hair, just a little bit, but even though I like how that looked. And then we're on the right master, of course, and so then we're going to do here. And I got to get all the points, of course. And this one. And I'm on the wrong master. Shoot, I don't know how that happened. All right. So this is the right master. Somehow I just switched over. I don't know how I did that, but I did. So there you have it. It's on the right master. And so just remember that add point trick. It can be kind of handy. And then just use interpolated nudge, and this should be fairly straightforward. And then the end result, of course, is this really neat effect where we can actually just simply adjust this optical size, and there we go. We have a much thicker or thinner. Let me know if you have any questions.